Hello, my name is Henry Lord, and if you're reading this, then you've obviously come a very long way. What I'm about to tell you may seem impossible, improbable, but I can assure you it is all quite real. It's been years since I was last here, years since I thought, well, it's been a long time. I'm an investigator. Well, I was an investigator, back then, when things were different. It was a routine case, missing person. Go in, get out, report back. Nothing special. Nothing special. People go missing all the time, but not like this. That was different. That night was different. Four students, 3 of which can't seem to remember anything about what happened. Either they can't remember, or they don't want to. Although some memories bled through, enough for me to construct a scenario, an investigation. Again, there were 4 students. The first one was Sally Noble.
No. I said stage left. No, not right, left.
Unfortunately, she didn't know anything I hadn't already read in the report. Although there was one thing, a word she couldn't forget. Midnight.
Listen to me. L-E-F-T, left.
I stopped by Brian Deacon's house next. Nice kid, good with his hands. Unfortunately, Brian didn't know much either. But he did tell me something, a single word, midnight.
Why, yes, Governor. You were wise to come. You see.
Amelia Hope. Her friends call her Amy. We talked for a while. I wasn't surprised when she mentioned she remembered something. Something she thought was important, and that I knew was midnight.
I myself witnessed the entire affair.
And then there was Nathan Young, the boy that time flew. No one knows what happened to him. No one can remember. He wasn't anything special. That's what made him so unique. He was just a normal kid with a normal job. And that is where our story begins.
Nathan! Are you finished with those props yet? Nathan!
Yes, Miss Noble.
Are you finished with those props yet?
Just a few hundred more and I should be about halfway done.
Nathan.
Oh, calm down, Sally. I'm only kidding around with you. I'm almost done here anyway.
All right, just hurry. I don't want to be here past midnight.
Guess that's not really much of an option at this point.
You don't want to do it? Fine. I'll just let Mr. Bryant know that his stage manager doesn't want to do any actual work. Excuse me?
No. It's not that I can't do it. It's just, well, we've been here for over 4 hours and it's almost midnight.
You don't want to do it? Fine. I'll just let Mr. Bryant know that his stage manager doesn't want to do any actual work.
Listen, it's not that.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're just not cut out for this job. What was that one girl's name? Chloe something?
Listen, I'm twice the stage manager.
Hi, what's going on?
Trouble.
With a capital T.
Nathan, this is... What did you say your name was again?
Alex.
Yeah. Alex is here because...
I am here because Mr. Bryant requested that I be here.
And why is that?
Well, Brian, simply put, I'm here to give you all your new assignments.
We have our assignments. We're to get them done and go home.
Well, now you have new ones. Better ones.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Don't believe me? Fine. I'll just give Mr. Bryant a call and see what he has to say. Oh, I'm sure he'd love to hear that his #1 stage manager is refusing to do as she's told. Ah, now I remember her name. Chloe Gates.
Wait.
Yes.
We can handle it. Just tell us what we have to do.
Excellent. Let's get started. Now, Brian, I hear we're one wall short for our grand finale scene, and no one makes 19th century Victorian set pieces like you.
Suppose so?
Don't let me down, Brian. They say you're the best.
Sure thing.
Now, Amelia, is it?
Well, my friends call me.
Whatever. Amelia, they say you're the best actress we've got. True?
Well, I don't know. Maybe.
Nonsense. You're natural. The best, Amelia. The best. Which is exactly why I need you to memorize scenes 7 through 10 for me.
But we were only supposed to know up to...
A change of plans, my dear. That's all. You can handle it, can't you?
Of course I can. I'll start right now.
Great. Sally, I've saved the most important job for you.
Really?
Everyone has their job to do. And your job is to keep everything running smoothly.
Yeah, sure, I can do that.
Now, Nathan.
Yes, Alex?
I would love it if you can go and check on the audio levels for me. Make sure everything's okay.
I just do props. I don't really know anything about sound.
Well, it's nothing hard, really. Just make sure all the blinking lights are level. No big.
Yeah, sure. I guess I could do that.
That's what I like to hear.
Okay.
Having trouble?
Alex,
Nathan?
how did you get in here?
Ah, came through the walls. The stairs, Nathan. I came down the stairs.
Right. Sorry.
So who are you, Nathan?
I'm pretty sure I should be asking you that question.
No, really. Who are you? Are you virtuous, honest, selfless?
I really don't know.
Do you believe in fate, Nathan? That there's a higher power above us that thinks he knows better than everybody else?
Maybe. Again, I really don't have time for this.
Neither do I.
Maybe you could... Whatever.
there. Hello.
Who are you?
Well, I'm Alex. I was Alex, back in the 16th century. Sounded like a good name. Alex. People are still called Alex, right?
What did you do to Amy?
Who?
The girl. On the stage, Amelia.
Ah, right. Amelia. Now that's a good name.
What did you do to her?
Alright. Quick to the point. I like that. Your friend's dead.
You killed her?
Ah. No, of course not. She snapped her own neck when she... Of course I killed her, you idiot. Honestly, humans can be so thick.
Humans? What do you mean, humans?
Right. Where are my manners? Azabon. My name. It's Azabon. And you're Nathan. The Nathan. The one and the only. You see, I've been watching you.
Watching me?
Well, not watching you per se, but I've been listening, learning. And you and me, we're not so different.
Who are you? Where did you even come from?
Oh, I think you already know. In fact, I think you worked it out a little while back. Bit too coincidental, all this.
The book.
Bingo.
But how?
That's a long, long story. An ill-conceived wager, I'm afraid.
A wager with who?
That's not really important. But what is important is that I'm free, and it's all thanks to you. But hey, that looks so glum. Because I like you, I'm gonna make you a deal.
A deal?
Yep. You see, I'm not entirely free of that book yet. It's still a part of me. That's where your friends come in. You see, in order to completely detach myself from that book, I need to dispose of 4 people on 4 consecutive midnights. But I really don't have time for that, so I came up with a little plan of my own. I'm gonna kill your friends, one by one. And every time I do, the night is going to be reset. And no one will have any memory of any of this except for you and me.
Why me?
Just to spice things up. And as an added bonus, I'll even give you the chance to stop me. But be warned. You're gonna need something pretty powerful to kill me. Oh, and if you can't save your other 2 friends, well, let's just say you're last on my list. And no one will have any memory of
I don't want to be here past midnight.
Nathan, this is...
I know who this is. You don't.
Nathan!
No. Listen to me. This isn't some kid named Alex. It's some whacked out murderer that just a few minutes ago killed Amy.
I think I should go.
Amy went home a few minutes ago.
Home? She didn't go home. You just don't remember. Listen, that whatever it is just killed Amy, and we're next.
Maybe I should call Amy.
Yes, call Amy. Go ahead. That's a great idea.
Hello?
Hi, Amy, it's Sally.
Oh, hi, Sally. What's up?
Nothing, this is gonna sound really weird, but are you okay?
Okay? Of course I'm okay. Why wouldn't I be? I'm right where I should be. No trouble, no worries. Why? Is something wrong?
No, it's not that. It's just that...
Amy! Amy, is that you?
One down, you know.
Is anyone there? Oh, Alex, you scared me.
Saw troubles?
Yeah, just kind of went off by itself. It's just weird, you know?
Trust me. I know.
What are you doing?
Just listen to me, Sally.
I don't know, Nathan.
Just hold on for a second and I can... What time is it?
Nathan!
Sally. Sally, listen to me. Sally! Aslan isn't who he says he is. Sally! Sally!
Nathan, what's wrong?
We have to go.
Well, why?
I don't have time to explain. We just need to go. Listen.
Nathan, stop!
No! Sally, we have to go now.
What is your problem?
What's my problem? My problem is that Alex, Asman, whatever his name is, just killed Amy, killed Brian, and you're next!
All right, just calm down.
All right. Okay. Sally! What are you doing?
You're not yourself. Just hold on. I'm gonna call Mr. Bright.
Sally, we have to get out of here! Sally!
No signal.
Sally! Where are you going?
I'll be right back.
Oh, Sally! Come back! Sally!
Oh, hi.
I'm really sorry about this.
Come on! Sally!
Again, I'm really sorry about this. Hey, Nathan. You know, you really surprised me. I really didn't think you'd make it this far. I thought you'd run away long before this. In fact, I bet on it. You see, Nathan, I'm quite the gambling man, and I placed quite a wager on you. A full house, if you will. A sure thing. And you know what? It was. Sure, you're still alive, but that's only a minor setback. I can still feel that book calling me. But after tonight, after I kill you, I'll be free of it forever. Oh wow. I really don't know what surprises me more. The fact that you tried to kill me or just how stupid you really are. Didn't you hear me the first time? Did you really think you could kill me? Oh boy. Did you hear me? He couldn't stop me. I win! Me! And I couldn't be happier. What have you done?
Quite what happened that night. That one boy disappeared, leaving no memories behind, and that word, midnight. I guess that'll remain a mystery as well.